Hello guys, welcome back to another video from Behind the Clutter. In this video, we are gonna unbox DeWalt's latest sealed head electric ratchet DCF510N. It's one of the most powerful electric ratchet available in the market right now. It comes with a 300 RPM brushless motor, interchangeable half-inch and quarter-inch anvils, and can generate up to 101 Newton meters of torque, which is one of the highest in the market right now. The only other ratchet that is slightly more powerful is the Milwaukee's latest flagship ratchet that can generate up to 108 Newton meters of torque. Inside the box, you get the ratchet body, interchangeable half-inch anvil, the user manual, and the guarantee leaflet. On the leaflet, it shows us 3-year guarantee, but when we are registering online, it comes up as 3-year warranty. The ratchet has quarter-inch anvil pre-installed, and it comes with a fully sealed head that keeps the dirt and debris from getting inside the mechanism. It has this slider to change the direction of rotation, a light to illuminate the work area, and a lock mechanism to avoid accidental triggering. This unit doesn't come with the battery, so we have to buy it separately. To get the maximum power out of it, I am using DeWalt's 18V 5A power stack battery. The power output of an electric ratchet mostly depends upon the battery that is connected to it. The more amperage you have on your battery, the more power output you will get. We can easily swap the anvils from quarter to half inch by pressing it out from the back and inserting the half inch one. So it's like having both quarter inch and half inch ratchets at the same time. Even without the anvils, we can use it with the hex based sockets similar to Milwaukee's insider ratchets. But unfortunately, the bore size of this ratchet is 16 mm, which is not a standard size. So we can't use it like that until DeWalt or any other tool manufacturers make a set for this model. For every electric ratchet, the torque figure that is advertised is the maximum torque it can generate under ideal conditions with the most powerful battery attached to it. In real case scenario, the torque values will be different when you are tightening a bolt and when you are loosening a bolt. On my regular usage, I have found that it can break free bolts that are torqued around 60 to 70 Newton meters without manual support. And I was also able to tighten bolts to around 90 Newton meters without any manual input, which is really good for an electric ratchet. Most of these ratchets are actually designed to break free a bolt initially using some manual leverage and then use electric power to unscrew it completely. With some manual leverage, I have tried to break free bolts that are torqued up to 110 Newton meters and it worked well. For everyday use as a mechanic, this is more than enough for me. Even though it looks slightly bulky, the weight is evenly distributed, so you don't feel that heft while you're working. The only downside that I have found with this ratchet is that it's a little tight to get it inside narrow engine bays. Otherwise it's the best. So thank you all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to watch more videos like this. See you in the next one.